Oh, you're so cute. It's for my daughter.
I think the great ideas do not come from the garage box. They come from the people's minds, the people that are in the garage box.
Great ideas, most of the time, I hope, come suddenly. So it doesn't matter where you are. But I think inspiration overall is very important. So the environment might have an impact on it.
We are always looking for a new and better way to do things. That there is always someone that has this out-of-the-box idea.
I believe that in case you have a value system, you have a strategy, you customers, you create a good environment to work in, for sure you have all the ingredients to make this idea happen.
It's really always a team effort. It's having the right team composition, working with the right people, bring the right people together.
It's inspiring to see how you can take some of those ideas and apply them in a different direction, come up with new ideas that might lead to an entire new product, or maybe a better way of producing a product or coming to a solution. It starts with just the everyday interaction and the little things.
It's easy to try, and it's not big matter if we fail. If it's a success, great. We do it all together, and then we can go to the next step.
You try to do your best, but of course, if you have like other technicians as well, if you, for example, did something wrong on the machine, they will always try to interfere and say, yeah, you maybe try it like this. They help you and they try to give you the right answer as well.
Then it's easy for the company, for Melexis, help the people to achieve their goals. Or what they want to do in the future.
It's like a wedding. So if you have your workplace and you have your people, then this is where it comes together and where you really can make the difference.
Melexis is always on the path towards success, and for the employees here as well, we're also on our own path towards success. We need to find our own ways here. If you say that's kind of garage box, yeah, I will say it's probably like that.